Boom shakalaka, what is going on everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode, we have a historic day for Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, and also we're going to take a look at how to identify a Bitcoin top. So if you want to find out, definitely stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Exciting times for Bitcoin holders, also for altcoin holders, but especially for Bitcoin holders. Now we're taking a look at what Bitcoin's done over the past day. Also how to identify if this is a top or if the price is going up. But before we do, guys, like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and also guys, today's video is sponsored by Swiss Farming Protocol, a Switzerland-based DeFi project boasting 367% APY on its Swiss ETH pair. Swiss was developed by the founders of the DeFi project Dcash, which is up 30,000% since its launch in June of this year. Find out more information at swissfarming.finance and buy the Swiss token on Uniswap. Now let's get to what we're talking about. Guys, today, Bitcoin almost hit $24,000. It pretty much reached $23,800, pretty much rocket shipping off once it broke through $20,000. I mean, they were saying, well, could 20,000 be a double top, a triple top? Nope, broke through. Bitcoin's never had a triple top. So, as we were predicting, I was thinking probably Christmas because that's about when this ascending wedge that Bitcoin is in, when that would have ended right there. But it broke out a little bit early, and it broke up. Actually, it broke out of the channel that Bitcoin has been trading in since way back here in October. So Bitcoin, as you can see, we found support here, we found resistance here, but Bitcoin actually broke out after passing $20,000. And now, where could it potentially go? Well, it could stay in this new channel that it kind of formed, or we might see it retrace down into this channel. Now, one of the things we can take a look at is called the bar top pattern, the bounce and run reversal. So if we take a look here, we can see Bitcoin, there's this white line here, and this is going to be the line that the bounce and run happens on. So basically Bitcoin came up, bounced off of there, and then we had a run up. And so this is these are 15-minute candles, so this is a pretty short time frame, but bounced off, ran up. Now where Bitcoin is now, we have one of two scenarios. If Bitcoin pulls back, we could either see it bounce off this line, which would be somewhere around $2,200. So we're still not there yet. We could see it bounce off and go back up, finding support there. Or if we were to have a bounce and run reversal, we would have the reverse where it breaks through there and then bounces off the bottom side and then heads down, kind of in this picture was happening right here. So as to what particularly is going to happen, I do not know. But as for the future of Bitcoin, guys, it's looking brighter than ever. I just listened to this I guess a podcast or whatever you want to call it, Palm Podcast. I listened to it on YouTube though. And man, the stuff they're talking about, the future for Bitcoin is looking brighter than ever. Like huge macro traders are looking at Bitcoin like the opportunity of a lifetime. These are guys who trade for a living, who are in finance for a living. They're seeing Bitcoin as the opportunity of a lifetime. They're not looking at $100,000 Bitcoin. They're looking more at like a $500,000, $1 million Bitcoin. Who knows? McAfee may not need to eat his own dick. So, other than that, what happened? Well, Coinbase is offering its IPO a day after Bitcoin breaks through $20,000. Coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. But if we take a look, I'm not sure if you can see this behind my head. Maybe we'll try and zoom it in like that so you can see it. But Bitcoin volumes on Coinbase year to date. Look at this. The volume has never been higher when Bitcoin prices have soared. The volume goes up. Everybody buys the top. It's crazy. And in other news for all you altcoin holders. Oh, and I should note, this guy here, Raoul Paul, he has 80% in Bitcoin, 20% in ETH. So for ETH, guess what? $1 billion has already been staked for ETH 2.0. This is potentially going to be the biggest project. The reason he says he has so much ETH is because of the network effect. The most developers, the biggest community, they built ICOs on it. They built DeFi on it. Everybody uses ETH, not Cardano. So there's that. Now, we have our critics, Mark Cuban, saying that Bitcoin's more of a religion than a solution. Well, Mark Cuban, what calendar year do you live in? It's 2020. That's 2020 since a religion, right? That was when Jesus died, and that was year 0, or when he lived. And religions tend to win. But he also says he would rather have bananas than Bitcoin because he could deep throat bananas, or because they have potassium, whatever. Now, we have different viewpoints. Mark Cuban, yeah, sure, he builds businesses. He's not like a financial guru. These guys, hedge fund managers, macro traders, they're financial gurus. And another interesting thing to note is that on December 17th, the day we broke $20,000, if we take a look at December 17th, the past few years, this is by someone on our Discord channel, all right? If we take a look, a patron, you would say, Camel Driver is his name. Well, we have a high here. We have a low here. We have a low here. We have a high here. December 17th is a pretty decisive day for Bitcoin. It's pretty much either a high or a low. You can see this is the highest it got, December 17th. This is the lowest it got, December 17th. December 17th here was kind of in the middle. It was a low between these 2 points. And then December 17th, hopefully that's a low. I sure hope so. That would be awesome. So guys, in the long run, I'm extremely bullish for Bitcoin. It may come back. It may test $20,000. Who's to really say? But things are looking great. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will catch you later. Peace.